This video I'm going to show you how to change Fortnite account on Xbox or how to log out Fortnite on Xbox. So first off, you just have to go to Epic Games. This is where you disconnect your Xbox account once you have logged in. So just go to Epic Games. Now once you are in here, just go to your account, click in your profile and click the account. And as you can see, there's a name called apps and accounts. This is where you disconnect your Xbox. And now, once you have disconnected, just like me, you could connect it with another account, like another Epic Games. You could log in with that. So, yeah, that's usually it. You just have to connect it with another account. So, once you have connected it with another account like this, just connect. And once you have clicked that, you have to connect account with your another Epic Games and make sure that the first one, the one you have account with the Xbox, you must have to disconnect it. Once you have disconnected it, you can connect it with another account again, and that's it. And that is also how you log out the Xbox. That's it.